Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw an Among Us venting pose. So there's a pose that they do when they crawl out of event or into event. Basically, when the imposter does that, and I'm going to go over it's like a crouching pose. Okay, so it's going to be simple, easy for beginners. By the way, so if you've never drawn anything before, you will be able to draw this. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker. They are available everywhere. Like I mean everywhere. If you're not sure, click the basically the link I have in the description. But otherwise, this right here as well. I have very simple computer paper. That's the paper I'm using. You don't have to use pencil, or you can use pencil or pen if you want. By the way, you don't have to use this. You can use pen. You can use whatever you want. Also, you don't even have to watch. You don't have to do this with me. You can just watch me. Okay, you can watch me, enjoy it, take in the vibes, or you can do it with me. Okay, either one's fine. So let's get started right here. Sorry, I'm all excited. I'm gonna draw the top part. I always start with the lens, right? That kind of viewport of the crewmate. I always start with that. So the top part right there, which is a curved line. I'm gonna go over here and have a curved line on the right side. Gonna go on the other side, do the same thing. I'm gonna pull underneath. Alrighty. So this is going to be angled that way. He's going to be looking that way because he's going to jump in or come out of the vent. This imposter, right? He's got to be the imposter because I think are you allowed to use it as a crewmate? I think you are. Okay, because I thought it was only like that means the imposter. Okay, forehead, right? Curved line up, forehead, easy peasy. Curving down here, right below his face, maybe roughly around the same height or size as that one. Going to go to the top and I'm going to curve back for the top of the head, okay? So I'm going to go, ready? All right. Gonna go from the back downward. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe, by the way, if you love this kind of slow, chill drawing, this kind of like learning. If you like Among Us, if you like, what is it called? Fortnite, if you like Minecraft, if you like any of that stuff and you want to be able to draw it or you just want to enjoy watching it, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out a video every day. The schedule's a little bit iffy right now, but putting out at least 1 to 2 videos every single day. So absolutely hit that subscribe and click that bell notification. Don't worry about it. It's not going to bury your feed. It's just going to tell you about every like 4 videos that I put up. Okay, so maybe like once a week. So right here, I'm going to have a curved line for the back right there. We got that back pose. And it's going to curve a little bit, which we normally don't do, right? When we draw like a crewmate, we tend to draw that straight line down the back. But since he's crouched over, it's going to be different. It's going to be slightly curved. Remember this right here looks like a pillow, that shape, right? Compare it to simple shapes and you will remember this forever. You will be an old person sitting in a bed on your, about to pass away, and you're going to be like, oh yeah, that's a pillow. You will. You absolutely will. No, I'm kidding. I mean, but, you'll remember it. That's the point. I'm just trying to get that in your mind. Okay, over here. So I'm going to have a curved line over here for the knee. Okay, top of that knee because he's bended. Then we're going to pull straight down, right, for that lower portion of the leg. Pulling back for the bottom of that foot. Pulling up. Okay. And now I'm going to draw his rear end, his keister meester. He's going to be sitting down, right, or crouched. So I'm going to draw like a slightly curved line that meets in right about the midway of that leg, okay? Right here. So let's do it. That's satisfying, right? We're like, yes, we're doing this. Or you're watching this and it's fun to chill out. Okay, now I'm gonna have the knee in the back over there. So we got this knee right here. He's got his crutch. So we want the back foot. So that's just gonna be a curved line from maybe, I don't know, the bottom part of the, I gotta cut my nails. The bottom part of, I gotta trim my nails. Cut my nails. We'll trim my nails now. So the bottom part of the lens over here down to the leg. So we want just a curved line right there. See how simple See how simple that curved line is? And what that shows is, it shows that there's a leg behind over there, right? That's called overlapping, which we will go over in another video, but that's generally the idea. It's pretty simple. So now, I'm going to draw the backpack. The backpack, normally what I do is halfway between the top of the lens and the bottom, about midway there, I draw the backpack. But since he's crouched over, I'm going to draw the backpack a little bit higher, maybe toward the top of it. So I'm going to mark it out over here. Look, watch this. See the top right there? I'm going to mark that out. And then let's go to the bottom here. Maybe a little, like partway. It's got to be below the knee for sure. And just anywhere below the knee, I'll mark it. I'm marking these because I want to draw it in one swoop. Okay? So let's draw his backpack. The backpack, to me, looks like a loaf of bread. Like, literally looks like a loaf of bready breadness. You know, you ever go to the store and you buy like a big loaf of bread? Probably not, but, you know, have you ever seen people cook loaf of bread on TV then? I don't know. See? Loaf of bread on his back. Remember that loaf of bread. Remember, when we're old people, remember, when we're like 90 years old, we're going to be drawing these loaves of bread, okay? We're going to remember that. We're going to be like, oh my God, this loaf of bread. That guy on YouTube, that random guy. All right, so let's draw the vent on the floor here next to him. I'm going to draw a line down. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw kind of a more or less like a curved or straight line over here. It's not a big deal. We're going to draw the open vent. Curve down here. And then we're going to just close it off. You could draw a square, like a bloated square. Anything you want, just as long as like a hole in the ground, right? That's not that big a deal. Okay. And now I'm going to fill that shape in with darkness, right? I want to do that for the drawing. In the game, it's more like a dark gray. But honestly, I think for the drawing, it just looks better. So this is really easy if you have like a pencil. Because on the pencil, you just lean over on the side of your pencil. And now you got this large space you can fill in, right? Same thing with this marker. With a pen, it's going to be a little bit harder. If you have a pen, do this. Go like, fill it in like that if you have a pen, like a ballpoint pen, because there's not really a side of the pen per se, usually. So I would do something like that to fill it in. Okay, but for now I got this marker, so that was just to show you. Alrighty. Okay, so another thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the last thing is I'm going to draw the back of that vent. So it's open, right? I'm going to draw kind of a angled line up here like that. And then I'm going to go straight as I can. Boom. Doesn't matter where it meets in the face. And then now we're going to draw those little chicken strip style things. Basically these little paper strips. They're not paper strips. That's just a metaphor. For the openings in the vent, right? To me, those look like paper strips, like when you do that in school, when you like glue construction paper on a paper. It doesn't matter how many. I want at least 3 though, okay? At least 3. At least be able to fit 3 of those in there, right? They don't have to be straight, nothing. It just reminds me of paper strips from school. So that, let me see. I'm not going to call it finished yet. Not yet. Okay, that is it. We are completely done. If you went through this whole thing and you're with me on this journey, you are one of the minority people. You are one of the very few people that made it here, because most people will not get through this video. The majority of people will not get through this whole thing. But you, if you're hearing me now, you're in the minority, the very few people that actually got through it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Sharing is caring, by the way. If you enjoyed this, share the video somewhere. It always brings back love. Always. Every time I see people share it, almost always brings back somebody that's like cool and be like, hey, what's up? And I could talk to, on the comments. And also say hi to me in the comments. I'm Enrique. You can say hi to me by name and I'll answer. I'll answer every single comment, even if it takes months. But it'll probably take like a week or something. That is it. I'm going to start highlighting members, I think, on here, because there's certain people here that say hi to me every time. And I always respond. That is it. Talk to you next time. Check out the links in the description, by the way. I have the Skillshare link there. There's an hour-long lesson on anatomy. There's hour-long lessons on anatomy, on basically like, perspective, on character design. There's all kinds of stuff on that Skillshare, so check that out. That is it. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow, because I'll be here tomorrow. See ya.